Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you one setting for you in Visual Studio in Microsoft Dynamics F&O. So whenever you go for the settings, okay, I mean in Visual Studio, not in your local machine. So in Visual Studio, if you just go for the settings, you'll be able to see this settings. Okay, so under the settings you have a different options which is available, like Windows Update or Windows Defender. You can be able to check related to the system, okay, for this particular virtual machine system. Okay, related to the product keys also, you can also, like, if you buy any product keys, you can apply the product key here directly. Okay, so I already have the product key, so that's the reason I'm not going to apply anything. And for developers, so this is what I wanted to talk. So when you go for the developers, you will have specifically, see, you have to use the developer mode. Okay, so this is what one thing. And also remote desktop. So for the remote desktop, mostly we use this the middle one, the change settings to allow connections only from computer running remote desk with the network level authentication. This is one thing which we need to aware of. And also this is also last one also, like, you have to check the checkbox if you are going to run any commands in your using the PowerShell. So here, see, change execution policy to allow local PowerShell scripts to run without signing, required signing for remote scripts. So this is completely for the PowerShell. So if you are using any PowerShell, definitely you have to check this checkbox. Okay, so these are some of the developer settings that you have to check whenever, like, you are ready with the system. Okay, thank you guys, subscribe for more videos, bye.